Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the basics fast. Confirm the router is powered and broadcasting both too. 4 and 5 GHz bands, reboot it to clear transient faults. On your Windows 10 PC, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and toggle Wi-Fi off then on to reset the adapter state. Once done, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter under Update and Security Troubleshoot. It automatically checks drivers, IP assignment, and common service issues, and reports fixes you can accept. Next, focus on driver and network stack repairs, because outdated or corrupt drivers cause most packets to fail. Open Device Manager, find your wireless adapter, and choose Update Driver or Rollback if a recent update broke connectivity. Prefer vendor drivers when possible. Then open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/release, followed by ipconfig/renew to refresh your IP lease. Finally, reset the network stack with netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset. For final troubleshooting, swap DNS servers to known public resolvers like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 in the adapter IP4 settings to rule out name resolution faults. Make sure VPNs, proxy settings, and third-party firewalls are disabled while testing, since they can block traffic. If connectivity still fails, try a system restore to a date when Wi-Fi worked or create a new Windows user to isolate profile corruption. And if nothing helps, contact your ISP. Ask whether MAC filtering or service outages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.